the nectar of yourself. If you go deep within inside you, first we will see human and animal. What are the difference in human and animal? Both have emotions. As you know, any living being, if you see plant, it has a body. When we talk about the animal, it has a body and mind. And when we talk about the human, it has body, mind and intellect. Animal do have intellect. So the bigger difference in human, because both has mind. So what could be the bigger difference? Choice of action. When we talk about animals' emotion, they do have emotion like us. You have seen at your home, your pet, when you go away from your home for a long time and come back, they shows their expression. Even we have seen video in keynote where the two dogs, how they were sharing their emotions with each other. But their emotion, most of the time, uncontrolled. They can't control their emotions. They go involved in that. If you have a dog at your home and you come back from long time, what happens? What does your dog do? Okay, he jump on you and then started licking you, isn't it? He has a lot of affection towards you, and he could not control. He didn't see the man is coming. He's very tired. No, he first get fresh. After taking a cup of tea, I will go and then I will pamper him. No, he will directly jump and start showing his affection. So that's why we say it's uncontrolled. But when it comes towards human, it's control. Why I used here choice of action? Only human has this achievement or advance where he can take a choice, but animal they don't have. They can't break nature's rule, but human can. Their life is mechanical, but human life is not mechanical. It's a depend upon human beings' choice. Having emotion, it's good thing, but getting emotional, it's bad. Having sentiment, it's good, but having sentimental, it's bad. When you get involved in that, most of the time you face is disaster. Therefore, it says humans' emotion should be controlled. Simple example, mother. She loves her child, but her emotion, if it is not controlled, and she loves too much, there is possibility what will happen? Anyone guess? Too much emotion. Simple thing, if you have a diabetes, if you eat lot of sweets, what will happen? Sorry, I can't hear. Little louder. Sugar will increase, okay? Similar thing. If you give too much love, you can't control him. You are not controlling your emotion. That's why you can't control the other, because you have crossed the boundary. How can you control the another? You have already crossed. So that's why it says too much love also spoil the children. She has love affection, But if she doesn't use in proper way, these things happen. Having kindness, it's a virtuous quality for within us. But there is chances this kindness, if you don't use properly, another person can take advantage. Kindness is a feeling. It's tender and gentleness. Compassionate. It is an attitude of your mind. Compassion is like a fragrance in rose. Kindness, compassion, love. It's human beings' fragrance. And that we have forgotten.